Food culture in India. Dear students, we are talking about food. We eat different kinds of food, and India is a big country, is a large country, and we find diversity of food in our country. There is a variety of food items like puri, dhokla, paratha, upma, dosa, and much more. They are made up of different raw materials. The materials that are needed to prepare any food item are known as ingredients. We call them ingredients. So, different ingredients are used to prepare different food items. Let us know about Indian cuisine. Food is an integral part of every human culture, and for survival needs, people everywhere could eat the same and simple food. But human cultures over the ages experiment, innovate, and develop different sophisticated cuisines. Indian food is as diverse as the Indian country, and we have numerous ingredients, various wide variety of the food, different styles of preparing food, and different cooking techniques. From salads to sauces, from vegetarians to meat, from spices to sensuous, and from bread to dessert. Indian cuisine is an invariable cuisine. So, let us talk about the different eating habits and different types of food that are found in our country. People in India consider a healthy breakfast very important, and they generally prefer to drink tea or coffee with the first meal of the day. Lunch in India usually consists of main dish, that is rice in the south and east, and roti in the north part. In dinner, the main food of the day, the whole family gathers and take food together. So, other than eating together, we also learn different values of eating together, love, and harmony in the family. In a common Indian household, you usually sit on the floor or the pillows or on really low stools. Surprisingly, the food is not eaten in the North American way, which is by using utensils such as forks, but rather eaten with fingers or the right hand. Though these customs are traditional, they are slowly losing popularity because of the modern habits of the people. So, diverse cultures, diverse styles are found in different sections of India regarding food. When it comes to food, we have a variety of not only food but cooking style also and eating style also. So, North India is one of the four areas that have made fine dining in India very unique. Different types of food are eaten by different people in North India. A North Indian meal might consist of many selection of baked bread and grain products, as North India has developed green revolution, so they are fully enriched with grains like wheat and rice. They are the staple diets there. And some other meals might have flat breads, paratha, tandoor. All these are regularly used in Indian household. North India is one of the four areas that have made India a unique country when we talk about food. East India is a famous and it is famous for its delectable desserts which are very sweet. Different desserts like cham cham, roshagulla, kheer, cheena, and different variety of Indian sweets are found in eastern India. These sweets are popular across North India also and in different parts of India. East India uses very simple ways of preparing and serving the meals. Simple steaming and frying are the typical ways that basic foods are cooked in eastern India. Also, meat is one of the popular food that is famous in eastern India. When we talk about South India, Southern India doesn't use fried food but rather roasted or baked food. Rice and coconut products may be found also on a typical Indian plate. One of the most general is sambar, which is carried vegetable soup, and it nowadays, due to technological advancement, we can also find all these food not only in South India but in all the different parts of India. However, each place has its own unique way of creating the correct dish. But South Indian food that is loved and eaten all over India by the people. West India, it has mainly four food categories, that is the Rajasthani food, Gujarati food, Maharashtrian and Goan food. So Rajasthan is a hot area, different types of food are present there. But when we talk about Gujarat, Maharashtra and Goa, they are the coastal regions and different cuisines, whether vegetarian and seafood, they are available, they are popular and they are eaten with fish, coconut. So many things are available in West Indian food. Gujarat is a vegetarian and has very large amount of sweets that are included in the food. So India has mainly always focused on the nutrition point of view when we talk about food. Most Indian food nutrition depends on how it was cooked and what were the ingredients that were put into the dish. Most Indian food has all the food groups and all the components of food, and people here generally they take a balanced diet. They don't go for junk food but a nutritional diet, and that is a good habit if maintained.